Okay, we have our first agency Zaps request. So this is not quite what Vidine was asking for, but it's about as close as we're going to get without me having to go make a bunch of code to do API queries and all that crap. That's not default part of Zapier. So basically, what we have is I've connected a agency Google My Business profile. Thank you to the McBride agency for letting me for letting me use them as my guinea pig. But we have a review step. It's going to grab and look for new reviews. We have a delay that's set for 2 days. We configured grab 2 days, and then we're going to send it to a Slack channel, just saying, hey, Dale left us an X star rating. If we haven't already, make sure we leave a positive review and like their review. That's about as close as you're going to get. A long time ago, I actually built a draft reply bot, which I may revisit. But this is a quick and dirty one. But the idea behind the draft reply would be basically it runs it through ChatGPT. I have an assistant. I just got to go find it. That will actually read the review and draft a reply in the tone and style of the agency in a professional tone, basically, and send it to you to paste. There is another thing we could do where we take that reply, put it into a Zapier table with a approval thing which would then automatically approve it. You could even edit it in that table. But that's a little more advanced. This is a really good, quick Zap you can build. I'll include the template in the link, and you should be able to run with it. Again, we're looking for a new Google review. We're delaying for 2 days, and we're sending a Slack message to just say, hey, this person left a certain number star review. If you haven't already, make sure we leave a positive reply and like the review. And that's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Let me know what you think, and keep coming with those ideas.